having low FPS and lag because of low GPU usage, so in today's video we'll show you how to fix it and boost your performance in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Let's begin with the first step, where we'll make some changes to the graphics driver settings in the registry. First, open the Windows search bar, type Registry, and launch the Registry Editor as an administrator. Once it's open, copy and paste the exact command provided in the video description into the Registry Editor and hit Enter. Navigate to the specified directory, right-click, select New, and choose DBU or 32-bit value. Name the new value TDR delay, making sure to match the capitalization, then press Enter. Right-click the new entry, select Modify, set the base to hexadecimal, and change the value to 10. This will increase the timeout detection and recovery (TDR) delay to avoid unnecessary driver resets. Finally, click OK to save your changes in the registry editor. Next, we'll make some adjustments in the Nvidia control panel. Begin by opening the Nvidia control panel. Once it's open, go to Adjust Image Settings with Preview. Select Use My Preference Emphasizing and set it to Performance. Then, navigate to Manage 3D Settings. Here, locate the key setting for GPU Power Management. Scroll down to find Power Management Mode and set it to Prefer Maximum Performance. Be sure to apply the changes, then close the Nvidia control panel. Next, download the throttle stop pack from the link in the description box. Once downloaded, extract the RAR file to your desktop and open the folder. Double-click on the throttle stop setup file to launch the program. Throttle stop is a powerful tool that allows you to tweak CPU power settings and prevent throttling, ensuring your system maintains high performance during gaming. By optimizing settings like Speed Step and BD ProShow, it helps eliminate low GPU usage and enhances overall gaming performance. When the interface opens, navigate to the Game section and check the box for high performance. Then, enable BD ProShow, Speed Step, and C1E. Finally, click the Turn On button to activate these settings and hit Save to store the profile and throttle stop. To get started with GearUpBooster to lower ping and boost FPS, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GearUpBooster interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the Middle East server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now, go to the Nodes tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one, or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearUpBooster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher performance. In the next step, we'll make another adjustment in the Nvidia control panel related to vertical sync, VSync, which can limit your GPU's performance. Open the Nvidia control panel, then navigate to 3D settings and scroll down to find the vertical sync option. Make sure to disable this setting to unlock the full performance and power of your GPU. Once done, close the Nvidia control panel. In the next step, we'll optimize and update your graphics driver. Start by searching for GeForce Experience in the Windows search bar and open the application. Before making any changes to your Nvidia settings, it's essential to ensure your driver is up to date. Go to the Driver tab in GeForce Experience, click on Check for Updates, and if an update is available, simply download and install the latest Nvidia driver on your PC. Now, let's disable power throttling. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type gpedit.msc, and hit Enter. In the new window, navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates System, then scroll down to find the Power Management folder. Open it and select Power Throttling Settings. Double-click on Power Throttling and enable the setting to disable power throttling. Finally, click Apply, then OK. Now, in the next step, start by opening the search bar on your computer and typing Game Mode Settings, then press Enter. When the settings page opens, ensure that Game Mode is enabled. This feature prioritizes system resources for gaming, reducing lag and interruptions for a smoother experience. Next, go to the Game Bar settings and disable the Game Bar. Also, uncheck the option that says Allow your controller to open Game Bar, as this can cause unwanted interruptions and interfere with your controller's functionality during gameplay. Now, scroll down to the Graphics Settings section and click on Graphics Settings. Press Browse to add Fortnite to the list of applications. Optimizing these settings will help reduce lag, improve frame rates, and enhance overall responsiveness. Once Fortnite is added, click Options next to it, select High Performance and hit Save to apply the changes. This ensures your system prioritizes performance for better gameplay. That's it for today. With these simple tweaks, you'll get the most out of your GPU and enjoy smoother gaming. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.